Okay, today we are going to be reviewing the CASEKOO phone case, and this is for the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, it is crystal clear model and it's anti-yellowing. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and we're going to check it out here. Okay, here's the first look at it. Okay, it's kind of hard. I was expecting it to be a little bit softer than that, but that's okay. It is anti-yellowing like I mentioned before, so you know, no matter how long you have it for, it's not gonna turn yellow like a cheap phone case would. Okay, so we do have a little plastic tab on here that we're gonna take off. Okay. And it does say anti-fingerprint, which I'm testing it out. I could see a fingerprint right here. Okay. I mean, for the most part, we are good. It is anti-scratch though, anti-scratch, so that's good. Okay, it feels, in my hand, it feels pretty sturdy, I gotta say. Does not feel cheap material. You do have the logo here on the side. Okay, looks like you have a little cutout right here, nice little groove. I believe it's called the camera guard, so that way it doesn't scratch the lens of your iPhone. So it is shock proof, so just in case you do drop your phone and it hits one of these corners or the edge, it is shock proof. So you know, I don't recommend you drop your phone, but if you do, just know that you're going to be protected. And we do have the little buttons on the side here, and then that's where you go ahead and silence your phone right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my phone and see how it is. Okay, let's see how it fits. Okay, and it fits just like that. Okay, so like I said, you can see those the camera guard. This is the camera guard, that way the lens doesn't get scratched up. I really do like that. I have my iPhone is the graphite color, and then this case is crystal clear, so I mean you can see the color through the case there, and it does feel pretty good. So it is a slim case like advertised. I really do like it. You have your charging ports right here, you have the speakers opened up right there, and I like it.